Hello everyone. I thought I would get on quick today and give you guys a little instructional video on how to do the Fizzing Rainbow and how we've done it at school before. A couple different things to help make it easier is I have just a glass baking pan. You could use one of the metal cake pans. You could use a muffin tin just to help contain the experiment a little bit more. I am going to put some different colors of food coloring on the bottom of my pan, and I'm just going to separate them out throughout the pan itself. I have green and yellow, and then what I will do is I will put the baking soda on top of my food coloring, red, and this is just the everyday normal liquid food coloring. And lastly, blue. If you guys want to get crazy, you can let the kids mix all the colors together, and then you guys can talk about the different colors that it makes. The next thing that you'll need is baking soda, and I'm just going to take spoonfuls of it and put it on top of the food coloring to hide it. I'm going to cover each pile completely so that you can no longer see the food coloring at all. And I'm going to put a little bit more on because the kids usually like to see and hear the reaction. So I'm going to set that aside, and then finally the vinegar. I decided today to just try one of the syringes that you get with like cough syrup or anything to see how that would work. You could use a measuring cup, you could use a plastic cup, and I'm just going to fill it up. This eyedroppers also work great. We use those at school, but I don't have any of those at home. And then you just put the vinegar onto the baking soda. And as you can see in this first one, the colors did show through. So I'm going to do the next one now. Let's see what color we find, because I cannot remember. And as we're doing this, we talk about what the kids can see with their eyes, what they hear happening when the vinegar and the baking soda mix with each other. They love to recreate that noise, and it also can be quite silly hearing them try to do that. And the blue one, and finally, one more to go. And then usually once we have found all the colors, we go through and we talk about what colors we found underneath. And then we usually finish up the activity with basically just dumping out the rest of the vinegar that we have and letting all the colors mix together, and talk about what's happening as all those colors are mixing. I hope you guys enjoy this activity, and we can't wait to see your videos and pictures of the kids trying it at home.